Hello! Yes, and welcome to our Objective 5.1 sample problems, where we're just going to practice identifying in behavior of a polynomial just from the equation, okay? So, what we're going to do is we're going to rewrite the following polynomial in standard form, make sure we've identified the leading coefficient and the degree, and then state the in behavior from that, all right? So let's start with letter A here. Negative 4x squared plus 2x to the fourth minus 3x plus 1. So this is not in standard form. Remember, standard form is when our exponents, our degrees, go from greatest to least. So I need to rewrite this so that everything checks out here. Notice now my exponents go from largest to smallest. So I have an even exponent with a positive leading coefficient. That means that this function rises to the left, and rises to the right. All right. Now looking at letter B, f of x equals 1/3 6x to the third minus 9x plus 12. Again, distribute all this out. It will be in standard form actually once I do that. So I'll say, let's see, 1/3 of 6 is 2. 1/3 of negative 9 is negative 3, and 1/3 of 12 is 4. All right, so we have an odd degree with a positive leading coefficient. So that means this one falls to the left and rises to the right. Now, if you're ever not sure about which of these, you can always graph them. And that's what our next objective is going to be, graphing these. This is a good skill to look at before graphing, but they really go hand in hand. All right, so let's check out letter C here. So C, okay, we have a quadratic here, but it's not in standard form, so let's get it there. So we'll have negative 3x squared plus 4x and then minus 7. So think about what we know about quadratics. We know that this is stretched by 3 and flipped over the x-axis, right? So this will be going down. That makes sense because the in behavior for something with the even degree and a negative leading coefficient is falls to the left and falls to the right. And that's exactly what we would have here. Falls to the left, falls to the right. All right, letter D, last one here, okay? So let's get this in standard form. So f of x would be negative 4x to the fifth plus 5x squared plus 2x minus 9. So we have an odd degree with a negative leading coefficient. So that means this would be rises to the left and falls to the right. Okay, hopefully we're feeling pretty confident with in behavior now. Again, if you're ever in doubt, throw these into your graphing calculator, see what it gives you, and then we can build from that image as well. All right, this is Mr. Carter signing off. I'll see you next time.